Air conditioners are considered a step up in your modern amenities as they bring a more fresh airflow into otherwise cramped city apartments or households. Air conditioning is still perceived as a cooling system, which is not true at all. On the contrary, air conditioning improves the quality of air flowing via the system to your room or household while keeping pollutants at bay. If you are on the quest for finding the best air conditioners in India, this video is just the right one for you. As always, you will find the links of all the products in the description down below, and we keep updating the links for the best prices available. So with that being said, the first one in our list is LG 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC. The LG air conditioner is packed with features that make it one of the best air conditioners in India. It comes with a 4-way fan swing and uses an environmentally friendly refrigerant R32. It has an inbuilt warning system if the air conditioner is low on refrigerant. It also comes with an antibacterial filter that demobilizes 99% of the bacteria and virus to give you a secure environment. The air conditioner comes with a dual inverter setup that can adjust itself to 5 levels of fan operation modes. It contributes to energy saving as it slowly increments the power. The coils are composed of copper and use ocean black protection to prevent corrosion and rust from affecting the coils or the entire unit. The air conditioner is rated for 1.5 tons capacity, which is suggested to be installed in an enclosed space of 111 to 150 square feet. The LG air conditioner comes with a 5-star BEE rating. The predetermined annual electricity consumption is 818.81 units. The LG air conditioner is perfect for a medium-sized room with an excellent energy rating. It is fit for installation in coastal areas where the ocean black technology prevents corrosion. It won't disappoint you in performance with its inverter compressor and makes a very low sound. LG doesn't provide a Wi-Fi operation in these air conditioners, which can be a letdown. So next one in our list is Panasonic CSNU18. Panasonic is one of the few air conditioners in our lineup to use AI to improve functionality. The availability of the robust diagnostic system with remote operability makes it one of the best air conditioners in India. For starters, the Panasonic air conditioner comes with its proprietary Mirai AI diagnostic technology embedded within the application to make one-touch diagnosis and initiate service requests. The air conditioner supports Alexa voice integration and can take voice commands. Apart from that, the users can also create sleep profiles to avoid waking up at night. The rest of the features include twin cooling inverter technology and Wi-Fi operation, all via the application, making it one of the best air conditioners in India. Panasonic air conditioner uses the twin cool compressor with variable fan speed. This ensures that the users get incremental levels of cooling and do not exert undue load on the components. The air conditioner uses copper coils with the Bluefin technology titled Shield Blue, which shrouds the coils and the air conditioning unit from corrosion. It is a 1.5 tons capacity air conditioner that is a suitable fit for medium-sized rooms up to 180 square feet. The air conditioner comes with a 5-star rating with a SEER value of 4.7. Panasonic did a great job to ensure the user has the utmost convenience after the installation. The availability of a dedicated application, remote operation, self-diagnostic system and a dehumidifier makes it fit for the dreaded monsoons when the humidity hits the charts. It has a PM 2.5 filter but not the antibacterial filter that is embedded in the LG air conditioner. It could do better rank as one of the best air conditioners in India. So next up we have Daikin FTK F50 TV. Daikin adds and strips a few features that makes it a decent package for earning a spot on our list of the best air conditioner in India. Daikin ensures remote operation of the air conditioner with its application that can manage sleep profiles, perform initial diagnostic and inform you of any erroneous operation cycles. Unlike most air conditioner, this comes with an inbuilt stabilizer that regulates the voltage and prevents the air conditioner from major damage. Daikin uses an inverter compressor in this model to save on electricity costs and disburse only the required cooling power as measured by the unit. The air conditioner is fitted with copper coils that lack hydrophilic coating and can be troublesome in high moisture locations. Daikin is rated at 1.5 tons capacity, fit for a medium-sized enclosure. Although the air conditioner is rated 5 stars, its ISEER rating are 5.7. Daikin bundles some new features that makes it a worthy competition. In our list of the best air conditioner in India, it comes with an inbuilt stabilizer with one of the lowest operating sounds of just 35 decibels. If only Daikin could include a bluefin coating, the air conditioner would have toppled our list for the best air conditioners in India. So next up we have Voltus 185 VSZS. Voltus is a reputed Indian brand that is slightly expensive when it comes to air conditioners, but the brand provides long-lasting air conditioning units to feature as one of the best air conditioner. It comes with a high ambient cooling feature that can help it to cool the indoors even if the outside temperature hit almost 52 degrees. Voltus pays a lot attention to dust and dirt prevention along with multi-stage filtration to keep the resident pollutant free. A 4-stage fan operation is supported to disperse the airflow evenly across the room. Voltus use a DC inverter compressor to maintain a uniform performance while the air conditioner is in use. The air conditioner uses copper coils to carry the refrigerant, but there is no mention of a hydrophilic coating to prevent corrosion. Voltus comes in 1.5 tons capacity and can cool a space of 150 square feet. It boasts of 5-star display rating with no mention of the SEER units. The annual consumption is estimated at 892 kilowatts. Voltus is a reliable offering that is too simple in features. It doesn't support Wi-Fi operation, neither does it come with a bluefin coating. The brand is reliable, but this model strips down many features found in the LG and Panasonic air conditioners mentioned above. So next up we have LG JW Q1 8W UZA. LG air conditioner mentioned above in our list costs the maximum in our list of the best air conditioner in India. It is baffling to see window air conditioners have more features than the split model. The major feature upgrade to the otherwise perfect air conditioner is the Wi-Fi connectivity and the option to give commands via Alexa and Google Voice Assistant. The other feature includes the antibacterial filter, LG ThinQ app integration, and a pop-out easy to clean the filter. Despite being a window air conditioner, the LG JW uses a dual inverter compressor to cycle between power savings and performance modes. The air conditioner is fitted with copper coils and the entire unit is secured with ocean black protection and is fit to use in coastal areas. The air conditioner comes with 1.5 tons capacity and is befitting for a room of size 111 to 150 square feet. The air conditioner gets a 5-star BEE rating and has a SEER value of 3.5. That is good for a window air conditioner, but not so much if you factor in a split model of the same brand. It is a tough competition in the window air conditioner segment because of enchanting features that separate it from orthodox design window air conditioners. It has Wi-Fi, voice assistant integration, corrosion resistant coating, and many more attributes that make it a good pick if you are looking for the best air conditioner in India. So guys, these were the best air conditioners in India which you should try. So which one you are going to buy, please do let us know in the comments down below. And for more videos on latest gadgets, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.